Careful pa rin po. Hi, Ma'am Renea. Good evening, ma'am. And thank you po, Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Gina and Ma'am Malu for staying back-to-back classes. You are free po to join all the classes. We have 1 minute po. Hi, Ma'am Emmy. Oh, wow. A lot of strong women po in class. Hi, Ma'am Lori. Thank you po for joining. Don't forget po to take some water. That's very important. Ang water. Hi, Ma'am Sherry. Nice to have you back. Kumusta po ang ankle mo, ma'am? Okay na po ba? Thank you, everybody, for being early. It's 8 p.m. po. Thank you so much for being here. It's Friday po. I know it's been a long week for many of us, but we are here. We're staying strong. Finishing our week with some yoga. Kumusta ka po, Ma'am Cheryl?
Medyo okay na po.
Okay po. If may injury po kayo or pain, please be extra careful po. You can take a break during the class. You don't
Yes
have to
po.
do, yes, ma'am. You don't have to do all the poses po. If you need to skip one or
Yes po.
two, it's okay po.
Yes po.
All right. Before po we start, I would like to remind po everybody, hi, Ma'am Weng, that progress po doesn't come from one session. Yeah, sometimes po after one class, sometimes we expect to see a lot of progress, but sometimes po we don't see the progress after one session. We see it po after 10 or after 100, after 1,000. It's a lifelong commitment po. We have to keep showing up for our body. Okay, we have to be consistent po to see real progress. Okay, with that po, let's stand up. We start po with Aina, with us. Some hip rotations po to warm up our legs and hips. Hi, Ma'am Myla. Nice to see you. Widen po the feet apart and big circles to the right side. 5 and 4. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath. And reverse po. 5 and 4. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath. And back po to the center. Yes, feet together. Inhale, reach up, up, up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale po. Hands on your knees. Bend one knee. And then the other knee. You don't have to go deep po. Especially po if you have back pain, sciatica pain. Please don't go too deep. Focus po on straightening the back. If wala pong pain, you can go a little deeper. Wow, nice to see your pets, Ma'am Doris. Happy family po tayo dyan. Okay, breathe po. Yes, use your breath. 3 and 2. 1 more breath. And inhale. Hands on your knees. Back straighter po. We widen po the feet apart. Sides of the mat. Yes. On the inhale. Hi po, Ma'am Eileen. Nice to see you. Okay. Straighten the back here. On the exhale po, we try to touch the ground. If cannot touch po, no problem. You just try your best, but don't force po the back. Okay, inhale, hands on your knees, back straight. Look forward po. Yes, if you look to the side po, it might hurt your neck. So look forward. Exhale, down. Good. 3 more po. Inhale and exhale. Yes, if you're already flat po on the ground like Aina, she's already flat po, you can try to lower the elbows. Hi, Ma'am Elaine. Yes. Okay, 2 more po. Inhale and exhale. Yes. Okay, last one. Inhale. Back straight po. Not too fast. Be gentle po. Exhale. We just touch po the ground and we hold there. If cannot po touch the ground, you lengthen your fingers. Yes. 5, 4. Hold po. Hold. 3. Legs strong and straight. 2. Tighten po your abs. And we roll up. Roll up, up, up. Inhale, hands on your waist. Yes, feet together. Take a deep breath in. Right knee up po to your chest. And big circles to the right side. Yes, 5 and 4, 3 and 2. 1 big circle and 1. Reverse po. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we have a few options here po. Knee up to your chest. Easy option po, you spread the arms and you hold it there. Next option po, you grab the thigh and you extend po the leg straight. Or a bit more advanced po, bend the knee, you grab po the right foot. You extend the leg straight. Yes. Okay. Just like that po. You can hold anywhere you can. Yes. Pwede pong sa thigh. No problem. 4. Yes. Straighten the leg po, Ma'am Jennifer. Yes. Good job, ma'am. Good. 3. Yes, Ma'am Wang. 2. 1 more breath. And 1. Bend. And then down. Okay. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, we try for the opposite side. Left knee up and big circles to the left side. Okay, 5 and 4 and 3, 2 and 1. Reverse po. 5 and 4 and 3, 2, 1. Big circle. Now, again po, easy option. We spread the arms, knee higher to your chest. Or grab your thigh with both hands and legs straight. I'm a Marisol. And the next one po is we grab the foot with both hands and legs straight. Yes. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. Okay, 5 counts po. 5. Good job, everybody. 4. Yes. If you lose po your balance, no problem. You just try again. 2 more breaths. 2 and 1. Good job. Lower po the leg down. Inhale. We spread po the arms. We widen the feet apart slightly wider po than the mat. Yes. On the inhale, we look up. Lift the chest. On the exhale, we reach up, up, up. Turn to your right leg and try po to touch the leg first. And if you can go lower. Okay. Aina po is quite flexible so she can reach low. But in the beginning po, you can use show Aina where to start. In the beginning po, you can start on the knee and then it gets lower and lower and lower. Yes. Okay. Inhale. We spread po the arms. Look up. Exhale, reach up and reach for the knee. If you feel like it's too easy, you can go to the ankle and then later on, we slowly reach for the ground. Okay, good job po. Now we keep going po. Just like that, up and down at our own pace. We open, inhale. We go down, exhale. Okay, that's it po. You can move slow. Yes, or you can move a little faster. Find your pace po. Okay. If you have back pain po, sciatica pain or scoliosis like Aina, you have to go slower po. Okay, slower if you need to. Okay, 6 more count. 6 and 5. 4 more. 4 and 3 and 2. One more breath. Yes, and we hold po on one side. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Now po, you try your best to go lower when you exhale. But if my pain po, you don't go too low. Discomfort po is different from pain. Discomfort po is okay. Pain po is not okay. Okay, 3 more breaths. 3 and 2 and 1. Slowly po, up, up, up. Inhale. And exhale po, opposite side. Okay. We take a few more breaths. Deeper breaths po. Two more. Yes, lengthen po the arms, lengthen the spine, reach lower. One more breath. And then slowly po, come back up. Inhale. Spread the arms. Option 1 po, you just spread and look up. Or you can hold on to your waist. Or you can go deeper on your back bend and reach at the back of the thigh. If my back pain po, you don't have to go deep. Yes. Okay, good. Beautiful back bend, Ma'am Analu, Ma'am Renea. Lift the chest po. Yes, Ma'am Jennifer. Focus on lifting the chest. Hips slightly forward. Yes, Ma'am Wang. 3. Ma'am Doris. Beautiful. 2. Yes, Ma'am Lori. And 1. Good job po, Ma'am Eileen. Reach up, up, up. Take a deep breath in. Exhale po, hands on your waist. Yes, back straight. On the exhale, we lean forward and back stays straight. Halfway lang po. Yes. Your legs straight, your back straight. We go 2 more. Inhale. Stand taller. Shoulders back. Lift the chest. Exhale. Down. Good. Last one po. Inhale. And exhale. You can stay here po. Touch your knees. Back straight. Can you go side view, Aina, so they can see the posture? Yes, you can stay po with back straight here. Now po, if it's too easy, you can touch your You can touch your shins or touch the ground. You can go wider po, Mamayla. Yes, good. Now, if you want to go as deep as you can, you grab po the ankles and your head lowering down to the side, Aina, not inside, outside the ankles. Grab the ankles from the outside. Yes. You use po the arm strength. Bend the elbows to the side and head lowering down. Okay, optional po ito if you want to go deep. Wow, beautiful, everybody. Yes, Ma'am Cheryl. Beautiful po. 5 and 4, 3. Straighter back po. Yes, Ma'am Weng. Beautiful. 2, 1. Deep, deep breath. And slowly po. We roll up, up, up. Yes. Inhale, palms together. And exhale down. Okay, feet together po on top of the mat. Yes. Shake it off if you need to. Face us, Aina. We're gonna lift po the right knee up to the right side. Right knee up to the right side. Grab po the right knee and bring it to your side. And then slowly down. Okay, and then opposite side po. Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Just like that po. We open to the side. Lift as high as you can. And we keep going po. Yes. I count 8. Yes. Na 7. Breathe in. Breathe out. 6. And 5. 4 more. 4. And 3. Good job. Last 2 po. And 2. On the last one po, we hold. Everybody, last one we hold. You can use the arm strength po to pull it higher. 5, 4. You have to grab po the knee if you can. 3, 2, and 1. Opposite side po. Okay. Hold. 5. Lift the chest po and stand tall. Yes, Ma'am Marisol. Good posture. Good job, Ma'am Chris, Ma'am Eileen. 2, 1. Deep, deep breath. And 1. Okay, we will tripod almost the same thing. One more time on each side. Right knee up. If you can po, you grab the right foot to the right on the right side. And then slowly extend. This Aina po is quite flexible so she can go all the way straight. But in the beginning po, can you show how to start, Aina? In the beginning po, you bend like this, no problem. I started po like that. And then after a few months, it go wider and higher. If cannot do it po yet, just knee up is okay. Just knee up po to the side. Yes, 5 and 4. Yes, you got it po. Yes, Ma'am Emmy. Very good. 3 and 2. 1. Deep, deep breath. And 1. Okay, good job. Shake it off. Good job, Ma'am Analu. Now we try po the other side. Okay, don't give up po. You got this. Okay, start with the knee bent like this. No problem. Later on po, we catch the foot and then we extend slowly. Yes. Okay, if you cannot extend po, you can keep the knee bent, no problem. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more breath, and 1. Good job, everybody. Let's release po the tension in hip rotations. Widen the feet apart and big circles po to the right side. Release. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. 5, 4. Hi, Ma'am Arlene. 3. You can do some hip rotations po. Hi, Frances. And 1. Okay, feet together. We go po to pyramid pose. Okay, right leg steps back. 3 to 4 feet away po. Yes, back straighter. Yes, stand tall po with confidence. Your hips facing forward. Yes, look forward po. Look forward. Yes, we will hinge po using our hips. Both legs strong. Lower down, lean forward. Yes, just like that po. Huwag po nating i-slouch or i-hunch yung back. We go 4 more. Inhale, back straight, and exhale. Okay, just like that po. 3 more. Inhale, and exhale. 3. And last 2 po. Inhale, and exhale. On the last one, inhale, and exhale. We stay here po. We have a few options here po. Inhale, we touch po the knee with the hands like that. Or you can go lower po. The most difficult option here po is arms back behind you, interlace the fingers. Yes, if it's too much po, you don't have to. You can keep the hands on the ground. Okay, beautiful everybody. 5 more breaths. 5 and 4. Yes, 3 and 2. Palms to each other, Aina. 1, deep breath. Yes, tighten po your abs. Slowly lift up. Bring the arms back behind you po and lift the chest. Look up and we all hold it here po. 5, 4, arms behind po, Ma'am Fanny. Sa likod po ang kamay. Yes po. 3 and 2. 1 more breath. And then inhale, arms up, feet together. Step forward and release. Hands on your waist. Left leg steps back. Back straight po. Stand tall with confidence. Your hips po facing forward. Exhale. We lean forward. Yes, good. Few more like this po. Yes. Straighter back, Frances. Good. Yes, that's it. Beautiful. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath. Okay. And we hold po. Easy option, hand on the knee or hands on the knee or lower, or arms back behind you. Palms closer to each other. Yes, if my pain po, you don't have to. Yes, Ma'am Eileen, very good po. Feel your strength and flexibility. Good job, everybody. Yes, Ma'am Ayla, 5, 4, 3. Yes, careful, Ma'am Cheryl. 2, and 1. Slowly up po. Arms back behind you. Lift the chest. Yes, look up. 5, 4, 3. Yes, Ma'am Lori. 2 and 1. Look forward po. Inhale, arms up. Feet together. And exhale down. Extend po the arms in front of you. And we rotate po the wrists. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, reach up. Exhale po, we touch the ground. As we go to table pose. Okay, knees down. Inhale, look up and arch. Exhale, round up. Yes, arms always straight po. We go 5. Feet, knees slightly apart po. Your knees po not together. Yes, Ma'am Marisol, very good. 4 and 3. 2 more breaths. 2. 1 deep, deep breath. And 1. Now po, we will rotate the right hip. Aina, can you turn around so they can see your right hip? Yes. Okay, right knee up and big circles po to the right side. 5 and 4. Long neck po. Wag po natin masyadong itungo yung neck. The neck po is long, look slightly forward. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 deep, deep breath. And reverse po. 5 and 4. 3, 2, and 1. From here po, we will go to lizard pose. Now po, if medyo masakit po yung inyong knee or sensitive yung knee, you put towel po or pillow on your knees. Okay, right foot step forward, outside the right hand. Now the hands po and the foot in one line. Left knee, slide back. Yes, bring the left knee back po. Yes, slide po as far back as you can. We are now po in lizard pose. If you can go on your elbows po, you can lower the elbows on the ground. Yes. You have to slide the left knee further back, Mama Eileen, if you can po. Yes. Right foot slightly more. Yes, good job, ma'am. Okay, feel for your hips. Very good, everybody. Beautiful. Lizard pose. Yes, if cannot go down po, no problem. You feel your body, your hips. Yes, every exhale po, you release the tightness. We use the breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, arm straight po. Right arm open to the right side. Yes. Easy option po. Right arm around your back and feel your shoulder open the chest. Second option po. We lift the foot from behind and we catch the foot with the right hand. Yes, this is the second option po. If it's too much po, you can stay in the first option, no problem. 5, 4, 3. Yes, 2 more breaths. Beautiful. Yes, Francis, Mamaila, very good po. 2. Yes, Ma'am Marisol. And 1. Both hands down po. We will step back po to down dog. Both legs back. Hips up and shake it off in down dog. 5, 4, 3. Feet don't lift po. Feet stay on the ground. 2 and 1. Yes, and rest po in child's pose. Good job. Okay, breathe in. You turn around, Aina, so they can see the other side later. Okay, right back. Hi po, Ma'am Amor. You can do some rotations po before you join us. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 deep, deep breath. And then we come back po to the center, table pose. Yes. Now we will rotate po the left hip. Left knee up and big circles. Yes. 5. Shoulders strong po. 4. Just feel po the mobility of your hip. 3 and 2 and 1. Reverse. 5. Again po, if my sensitivity po sa knee, it's not yet too late, put towel po on your knees. Yes, 2 more breaths. 2 and 1. Okay. Left foot po, go forward outside the left hand and your right knee slide back to create space for your hips. Yes. Okay, 1 deep breath. And we try po to lower the elbows down. Yes, good. If cannot lower po, no problem. That means po, we just need a bit more time. We need to breathe more and we will get there po. Wherever you are, the most important thing po is your breathing. Yes, that's the most important po. The form po is secondary. The first priority is we breathe. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath. And then we slowly po straighten the arms. Left arm steps. Lifts up po. Lift the left arm up. You can bring the left arm around your back or you can catch the foot from behind. Yes, breathe in and breathe out. 5. Yes, Ma'am Analu. 5. Beautiful po. Keep twisting the body. 4. Yes, Mama Lu, Mom Emmy. 3. 2 more. 2. 1 deep breath. And lower both hands po. We step back to down dog. Shake it off in down dog. If you need water break po, you can always take water break. Hips up po, Ma'am Eileen. Hips up. This is plank po. You have to go hips high, head down for down dog. Yes, beautiful, ma'am. That's it. 2 and 1. And we all rest po in child's pose. Good job. Now we let go po. If you want to gain more flexibility po, fast. Your mind po and your body needs to relax and let go. So child's pose po is a good practice. You need to let go. You need to relax. When you don't overthink po, that's when your muscle open up and you will gain more and more flexibility. Okay, empty your mind and you focus on your breath. You feel the air coming in and you feel the air coming out. 3 and 2. 1 more breath. And 1. Okay, table pose po. From table pose, right foot go forward between the hands. Okay. Now po, instead of outside, your foot is between the hands and your left knee slide back. Left knee slide back a little. Yes, right foot go a bit more forward. Yes, your right foot po slightly more forward than your hands. Your hands po and your foot not in one line. And so you have, now po you lean back to half split to straighten the right leg. Lean back. Aina, lean back. Yes. You go back and forth po. Inhale, forward. Exhale, go back. You combine po the breath and the movement. You inhale forward. You exhale back. Good. 3 more. 3. Yes, focus on the breath po. You don't think about your form. You think about your breath, how you feel. Yes, 2 more. Inhale. If my pain po, you have to readjust or skip. Okay, it shouldn't hurt the knee. One last po, we go to half split and hold. Okay, now we extend po the leg straight and hold it there. If you cannot straighten po, you bend, no problem. I start po with the knees bent. Okay, we all start somewhere. And then later on po, I know some of you have been practicing for some time. We can go a bit deeper. Like Aina po can go a little deep and very close po to her splits. Yes, okay. You can go a little deeper po by bringing the foot forward. But don't force it po. We're not here to force. We're just here to see what we can do today. Okay, 3 more breaths. Again po, our priority is to breathe. Okay, focus on the breath. 3 and 2. One deep breath. And then we pull back in, bring the knee back to you, and rest po in child's pose. Good job, everybody. I know it's difficult po. It's challenging for the body and mind. But if you can fully focus po on your breath and take quality deep breaths, the sensations po change and your body let go more. So in child's pose, you fully focus on letting go and breathing. Okay, your hands relaxed, your forehead relaxed on the mat, your hips relaxed to your heels, your breaths are calm, your mind is not waiting for the next move. Your mind is fully focused on your breath, feeling po the air coming in and out. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. Relax your neck. Soften po your fingers soft, your neck soft. And then slowly, we come back po to table pose. Okay, from table pose, we will move po the left foot forward between the hands. Yes. Okay, now we need to create space po. We step the left foot a bit more forward. Your right knee slightly back. We need it po to keep going back and forth. Okay, we go forward, inhale. We go back, exhale. Yes. Slow and gentle po. You can move slower. Inhale and exhale. Good. 4 more. 4 and 3. Good job. Last 2 po. And 2. Yes, 1 more. And now po, we will hold. Everybody, now you don't focus on going deep. You focus on the sensations of your breath. And now if you feel like it's too easy, I don't feel challenged anymore, then you can adjust the form and then go forward. If it's too challenging, there's so much discomfort, you use your breath to relax. Okay, you focus po on how you feel. 5 and 4. Yes, 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. One deep breath. And slowly po, we pull it back in and we rest in child's pose. We let go of the half split. Okay, we lower down and we rest. Okay. Now this splits po is very difficult because it takes a lot of discomfort po. But the same po in life. We hold on to our fears. We hold on to some negative feelings. It takes courage po to let it all go. So use this practice po to use it in real life. We have to let go. 3 more breaths here. 3 and 2. 1 more breath. And we sit up. We will extend po the legs in front of us. Okay, now the hard part po is over. Point and flex the toes. Yes, your knees po can relax. Point and flex. 5 and 4 and 3. 2 more breaths. 2 and 1. Right leg stays straight po. Left foot to your thigh. Yes, bend the knee, and yes, just like that po. Your hips facing forward. Knee down po to the side. Left knee down. Your knee is bent po. Focus po, Ma'am Eileen, on the form. If my knee pain po, you can extend. Yes, if wala pong knee pain, you can bend. Okay, good. Inhale, reach up, up, up. Take a deep breath in, your right toes flexed and your posture straight. Flex, we have to fix po your setup here. If your back po is already too curved, you will not be able to go further po. Your back needs to be as straight as you can. Lift the chest more, chin up. Yes. Okay. First po, we hold on to our knee and check your back. Lengthen your back first. Every exhale, you go a bit forward without curving your back, and your toes all flexed all the way. You're not relaxing for your toes. Your toes are as active as you can. Toes up po. Toes up more. Yes, more. Good. And keep going po. You go forward as you breathe out. Very good. Good job, everybody. Yes, chest go forward first. You don't round the back. You bring the chest forward. You look towards your foot. You check if your toes are still flexed. The toes po always flexed. 3 more breaths. 3 and 2. 1 last breath. Very good. Yes, I can see po. Progress in flexibility. Good job, everybody. And 1. Inhale, reach up, up, up. We're gonna twist po. Right hand on your left knee. Left hand back. And twist. Yes, keep looking back po. Sa likod po ang tingin. Yes. To the left side po. 1 hand on the knee, 1 hand on the ground. Okay, 3 more breaths. 3. We are not leaning down po. The posture stays straight. Yes, don't lean down and lean too much to the side. Straighten the back more. Yes, 2 and 1. Now po, listen carefully. You have to keep po the twist. Don't let go of your twist. Your left arm reach up. Yes, twist more. Other arm po, Mama Lori. Your left arm. Yes. And now po, side bend. Right shoulder going to the right side. Your arm po, don't bend. The arm stays straight next to your ear. Yes. Don't bend the elbow. Keep the elbow straight and straighter. And toes still flexed. Good. Beautiful, everybody. Look po towards your left knee or your left side. Yes, 5. Bring the arm closer to your ear. 4 and 3. 2 more breaths. 2 and 1. Inhale, reach up. Both arms up. And exhale, release. Okay, we switch leg po. Your left leg straight. Yes, inhale reach as high as you can. Yes, fix po your posture here. We have to flex the toes. We have to lift the chest as high as we can. Arms closer to your ears. Yes, elbows straight. Belly slightly in po. Yes, chest more up. Chin up. Yes, use all your strength to reach up. Good. And now po, touch your leg. Look forward. Touch the leg, Aina. Look forward. And then every exhale po, we step forward. You have to straighten po your back as you lean forward. Toes still flex. Look at your feet po. It has to be flexed all the time. Yes. Okay. 5 and 4. Flex more po, Mamayla. Toes up more. Yes. 3. Yes, Mom Jennifer. Very good. 2. Focus on the breath. If my back pain po, you bend the knees slightly, no problem. And 1. Inhale, reach as high as you can. We twist po your left hand on the right knee. Right hand po on the ground sa likod, on the right side. Lingon po to the right side. Lingon sa likod. Yes, one hand on the knee, one hand on the ground. 5. Keep twisting. Toes still flexed. 4. Toes up po. Up, up, up. The toes active. 4. 3. And 2. One more breath. And now po. Listen po carefully. You have to keep the twist. Don't release the twist. Keep looking to the right side. Yes. Right arm up and bring it close to your ear. Now side bend po. Lean to the left side. Yes. And later on po, your hand will reach closer to the toes. But we need to keep the toes flexed po. Yes. The arm po don't cross the body. It stay next to the ear. The arms stay next to the ear. 5 and 4 and 3. 2 more breaths. 2. Long fingertips. Yes, Ma'am Marisol. Ma'am Wang. Beautiful. 2. One last breath. And 1. Okay, inhale. Reach up, up, up. Both legs straight. And exhale, release. Now we will lie down po, and as we lie down, you listen to my voice. We will start po with the figure 4. If you don't know figure 4 po, you can watch po, Aina. Okay, figure 4 po is right foot on top of your left thigh. Grab the left thigh with both hands. Yes, and bring it closer to your chest. Every exhale po, you pull it gently. Yes. We are targeting po here the buttocks or your glutes. Okay, we are in figure 4 po, Ma'am Eileen. 4 and 3. Right foot on top of the left thigh. And 2. Yes, grab po the left thigh with both hands. Bring it close to your chest. Sa left thigh po, yes. Okay, stay present po, your mind. Focus on your body. Focus on your breath. Don't let the mind separate from you. Keep the mind in the present. Okay, 3 more breaths. Quality deep breaths. Feel po the sensations on the right side. Feel your leg, your hips, your lower back. 3 and 2. 1 deep breath. And And from here, we come back po to the center. And now, widen po the feet apart. We do a bit of windshield wipers po before we do the opposite side. Windshield wipers, knees to the side, up, and other side. 3, and 2, and 1. Back po to the center. Now po, the other side on figure 4. Left foot on top of your right thigh. Grab po the right thigh with both hands. Bring the legs closer and closer to you. Very good. Feel po the sensations on the left side. And we take quality deep breaths. You can pull gently when you breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2 more breaths. 2, and 1. Slowly po, we bring the feet down and we go back to slow windshield wipers. We spread the arms. Slow and gentle po. To the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Slower po, slower. So you have time to feel. Yes, feel when you're on the right side. Feel when you're on the left side. Yes. 3 more breaths. 3, and 2, and 1. Back po to the center. Bring the hands beside you. Feet slightly apart, hip width apart. We go po to our bridges. Hands flat on the mat. Inhale. Lift the hips up. And then exhale. Slowly lowering the hips down. Bridge up and bridge down. Breathe in and breathe out. 5 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, and 2. On the last one po, we hold. Everybody, up and hold. Keep po your abs tight. Keep your buttocks tight. Lengthen your neck. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel po your pelvic muscles. Again po, the pelvic muscles are the muscles we use for the toilet. Very important muscle group. So keep it strong, keep it healthy. 3, 2, as slow as we can, we bring it back down. Hug the knees back to your chest. Rock yourself gently side to side. 3, 2, and 1. Right knee Stay on your chest, left leg straight on the mat, and right knee po, go all the way to the left side for a twist. Right knee. Yes, feel po your twist, shoulders relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Five deep breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 more breaths. 2, and 1. Slowly pull back to the center. Grab the left knee to your chest, right leg straight on the mat. We twist po. Left knee, go to the right side and relax here. Allow the body to twist. Your shoulders relax. Your back relax. Feel the sensations of the twist. We take 3 more breaths here po. 3, 2, 1. Deep breath. And we come back po to the center. Inhale, hug the knees to the chest one more time. And now po, we will go to our healing pose. Deep relaxation pose, recline butterfly. Talampakan po together, soles of the feet together, knees out. And now we practice po letting go. We practice surrendering. This is a very good pose po before we sleep. It will prepare our body and mind for a good night's sleep. Feel the body healing from the inside. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 more breath. And then slowly knees together. One hand on your chest, one hand on your belly, and we straighten po the legs. Our last pose, Shavasana or corpse pose. This is the time po to just rest and breathe. We practice letting go. We practice being with ourselves. We don't have to work hard po all the time. We don't have to move all the time. Sometimes we can just heal and breathe. Notice what's happening inside you. Feel your heartbeat. Feel the air coming in and out. Feel the capacity of your lungs. One deep breath and release for the hands beside you. Wiggle the toes and fingers. Move the head side to side. And we finish with a big stretch. Interlace the fingers, palms facing up, and big stretch. Feel your whole body. Bend the left knee and turn to the right side. And we all sit up slowly and gently. Alright, everybody, you can join the hands together. We rub the hands, feel for the warmth between the hands. We massage for our wrists. We massage for our arms, shoulders, and neck. Now we will take a selfie before we end our meeting. Hi, Ma'am Gina. Okay, everybody, let's smile po. Thank you so much for staying till the end. Okay, everybody smile. 1, 2, and 3. Last one po. 1, 2, and 3. Good night po. I hope you get a good night's sleep.